in order to get a girl, if you're trying to add spice to your conversational skill, then you have already lost. But if you realize that your energy is what does most of your talking, then there is a hope for you. You must realize that this universe that you perceive through your five senses is not physical or material universe at all. If you study an atom, what you're going to find out is 99.9999% of that atom is pure energy and information. Only 0.0001% of that atom is actually matter. And the best part is that energy and information part is the sole governing agent of this matter part. You, I, the girl that you want are all matters, and we are all penetrated, we are all connected by a source energy, by a quantum field, by an energy field. And that energy field is the sole governing agent of each and every one of us. So let's focus more on your energy, focus more on your freedom. Let's focus more on the freedom from panic attacks and anxiety. Let's focus on becoming truly confident, and let's focus less on pickup artist. Let's focus less on openers, on Neil Strauss, on mystery, on real social dynamics. They do not matter. When you focus on changing your energy, when you focus on becoming truly confident and becoming free from all sorts of mental health issues like anxiety and panic attacks, then you do not have to add spice. You do not have to make the conversation interesting. Your presence becomes magnetic. So, in order to raise your energy level, in order to truly gain confidence and truly become free from panic attacks, the best thing that you can do is Yoga Nidra. People like Dr. Andrew Huberman call Yoga Nidra as non-sleep deep rest protocol. When you're doing Yoga Nidra, what happens is you're just guiding your awareness all over your body, body part by body part, until you achieve a state of relaxation. That's when your brain starts to create this slow, coherent alpha brainwaves and theta brainwaves. When you're super stressed, when you're highly in your head, your brain is producing high beta waves, which are not really healing brain waves. But when your brain produces these slow alpha brain waves and theta brain waves, you become very creative and your body starts to heal itself. So the first thing that you must do is Yoga Nidra. And the second thing is very important, and that is your imagination will create the reality that you live in. Neville Goddard, a very prominent spiritual leader of the West, said imagination creates reality. Now what you're going to do is, when you do Yoga Nidra, you have to start to create a mental act, an imaginal act in your mind that signifies that you're already the person that you want to become. You want to become a calm, a relaxed, a powerful, a confident man who gets whatever he desires. So you need to, for example, create an imaginal act where you're walking into a place that previously made you anxious or that previously triggered your panic attacks, but now you're just taking charge of that room. You're having a blast in that room. Your friends, your family are all present in that room. They're complimenting you. Wow, you're so peaceful and so powerful as a human being. Your girlfriend or the girl that you're dating right now or the girl that you want to date is also present there, and she is complimenting you. Oh my God, Mark, you're so powerful. You're so peaceful. What's your secret? And you can even say to them in this imaginal act, hey guys, you do not have to worry about me anymore. I don't buy anxiety pills anymore. I don't go to therapy sessions anymore. I found the secret of completely changing my life. Now, if you can hold your attention on these kinds of imaginal act and keep on mentally rehearsing them over and over again, your brain will start to believe that all of this imaginal act is actually happening to you in real time. Your brain is that objective. It cannot differentiate between a strongly visualized act and an experience that you have in this three-dimensional world. So when that happens, your brain becomes primed for you to have that experience. Your body becomes primed for you to actually become confident, for you to actually become free from panic attacks and anxiety, and for you to actually attract all the girls in your life. So, this is how you become truly confident, truly free from panic attacks and anxiety. You do not have to go to Neil Strauss. You do not have to download books from Mystery. You do not have to download RST courses. You do not have to learn thousands of openers, and you do not have to watch cold approach videos. Just fix your energy. Just fix your anxiety and panic attacks. Just focus on becoming truly confident and magnetic. Realize that imagination creates reality. Realize that Yoga Nidra actually creates a healing brainwave in your head, and it starts to completely rewire your nervous system. This is how you become truly alpha. If you want a personalized coaching from me, one to one, then message me on my WhatsApp or my Gmail, which are linked in the description box down below. I will hold your hand to success and deliver you from anxiety and panic attacks.